This is going to the right.
There you go. Lefty loosey.
Be careful. I'll be the one pushing this swing. We don't need to push it, actually. It's not kind of like a playground swing. It's where it'll move forward. Once we got the batteries in, you can just give it a light push to start it, and then it'll swing on its own until you turn it off. You might need to hold it. This thing's never going to get undone. Yeesh. I'm making sure the swing's going. I'm practicing for his fast time. Whee! It is coming undone. Didn't need to go it all the way. It takes 4C batteries. There's different types of batteries, like alkaline, other not alkaline batteries. There. Okay, this one goes plus side. Here's the plus side. Isn't this practicing good practicing? Hop, 2, 3, 4. 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 Hop, 2, 3. This is easy. Yes, it should be. But it was sort of easier to do the plus side up ones. The minus side down ones are easier. But when the minus side is, when the spring's on the top, it's sort of like they need the great swing. But he likes fish speed right now. Bye.